Hello guys, welcome to Tech Solutions. Ethical here with you. In today's video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how to get a free domain and hosting that you can be using for your practical purpose. Okay, in case you want to work into web development, and you need a hosting and domain. But then there, I want to show you ways that you can get this domain name and hosting for free, okay, just for educational purpose. Okay, so to get started, let's go to our browser. Ready to open our browser. Then here in the browser you need to add up a new tab. All right, so add up a new tab, then just go to infinity. Let's go to infinity free.net. Infinity-free.net. Let's go to infinity-free.net. Okay, you have to make sure while doing this you have a very strong network connections. Then when you come to infinity-free.net, just click on agree to their privacy, whatever. Just click on agree. All right, so here you need to create an account. In case you're coming here for the first time, you need to create an account. If you already have an account, then you log in. But for us, we're just going to click on register. So click on register. Okay, so this is where we need to sign up. So here you need to enter your email address, password. You create an account here with these details. So I'm going to enter my email address. Okay, so we need to create our password. So I'm going to enter my password. I'm going to create a very strong password. So the confirm password, it has to be same with the password that you have. Alright, so when you're done, just click on sign up. So they're going to send, okay, yep, we need to select these images of boots here. There is a captcha here, so we need to verify that we are not robots, that we are human. So we need to select boots. So anywhere there is boots, we just select it, verify. The terms of service must be accepted. Okay, I think we forgot to check this box, so I'll need to enter these passwords again. Alright, so I've read and agreed to the terms of service. Yeah, but I think that is what we forgot to check, so we need to check this box. Then we click on sign up. Alright, so we need to verify that we are not robots, so we need to verify that we are human. So we need to select anywhere we see bicycle. Here again is, we have bicycle. Let's see. So click on verify. Alright, so you can see they said verify your email address. Now they've sent a verification code to this email address, so we need to log into our email address to check if they've actually sent it. Alright, so you can see this is my my inbox. So you can see infinity free verify email address. This is it. So just click on the link, click on it, then please click the button below to verify your email address. So just click on it to verify. Boom, as simple as that. Now the email address has been verified. Just click on agree. Now you can see hosting accounts, the available accounts. I think we can have up to like 3 accounts. You can see for now we've not created any accounts, so we have we've not created any domain, so we have 0 of 3. It means we can have up to 3. Okay, so now let's create an account. So I'm going to click on create an account. Just close this ad. All right, now can you see, let's see. So let's see accounts. Let's go with this $0. I'll click on this. These are the plans that they have. So we're going with the free one because we're not going to create we're not going to pay any money for this. We're doing this for educational purpose. So I'm going to enter any domain. So I'll just put let's see practice. I'm going to name this domain practice. Then we select the one of these options. I will let's see which of these are we going to pick. Kegsum, I think I love this. Yeah, so this is our extension, kesong.com. okay, so it's going to be practice.kesong.com. so we'll need to check for the availability first. So I'll click on check availability. The selected domain is already in use. Wow, it means somebody has used this, so we cannot use that. So let's give it something like let's say Guni no, let's say shop. Let's use something like shop now. So it's going to be shopnow.kesong.com. okay, so let's check for this availability. Wow, the domain is available. Okay, so you can see this is awesome. Now we need to create password. Let's say leave empty to generate randomly, and we need to create password for this. So I'm going to give it the same password. Let me use ethic let's use let me use the same with this. I'm going to use shop now 123 1284. all right, so this is a unique password. I hope so. Account name, leave this automatically, so we need to create an account. This is the domain shop now. I'm going to copy this, then we'll click on create an account. Now let's verify this. What's the question here? Please select all matching images. Okay, now we need to select all matching images here. So let's see this. I think it's same thing with this. Let's verify. Wow, done. So click on create an account. Yes, awesome, your account has been created with the username. So this is our username. We need to copy this. This is our username. Then we can see we have open control panel. So what I usually do is I'll create a notepad where I'll be dropping this. So I'll just press Windows R on my keyboard, then I'll type notepad. This guy will pop up, then I'll click on it. I'll type notepad and click on OK. All right, so it has given me my username. So I'm going to have username. This is where I'll save the information. Username, control V. Then let's go back. So you can see open control panel. Then is it our open control panel from here straight, or we'll click on finish. So I'm going to do both for us to see how they look like. Okay, so let's right click. I'm going to right click on this and click on open open link in new tab. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. Then also this one, I'm also going to open this one in a new tab. Okay, so let's see how the control panel, the first one that I open is control panel. So I'll click on the control panel. So hi, of course, this is the username they gave us to notify you of changes to service, account status changes, whatever. Now what I'm interested in is just click on I approve. Okay, so let's click on I approve. So it says thanks, the panel will be, I think, ready or something. All right, so we can see it has, wow, it has brought us to the cPanel. Okay, so just the way when you buy a domain name and hosting, they will send you login details, okay, for your cPanel, the login details of your cPanel. Then when you log into your cPanel, then of course it will land you to the cPanel dashboard. You can see in our own case, this is our own cPanel. This is the cPanel dashboard. You can see there is no difference with the premium version and the free version. Okay, so this is in a normal norms, this is how cPanel dashboard looks like. Okay, so you can see we have online file manager, we have free FTF software, PHP admin for database. This is MySQL database where you create databases. This is where you upload, you export, import databases. Then subdomain, you can see it also has subdomain. Then remote, of course, MySQL. So you can see you get to do virtually every. You can see SSL status too is here. Then Subtaculous app installer is where you install your WordPress. You know, just the same functions that you have in the normal cPanel dashboard, you have them here. So but remember, this is just for practice purpose. They've designed this, InfinityFree.net has designed this free version for you to practice, for you to have a taste of their product. So when you finally want to key into it, you of course go for the premium version. Okay, but of course whatever thing that is free, there are limitations, right? So these also have limitations, but let's see how we can explore this before now let me open the other tab. So you can see when I opened this is when you click on finish, this is where it will bring you. So you can see control panel, file manager, Subtaculous app installer. So if you want to go to the control panel, just you click from here, it will take you to control panel. If you want to upload your files or website content, whatever, it will take you straight to your file manager. Then if you want to install WordPress, wow, this is where you just click on Subtaculous installer, then it will take you to where you install WordPress. We're going to explore this, don't worry. So you can see this is our username, this is our account details, accounts to the cPanel. So you can see the username is this. Let's confirm that. I think we've copied that already. So this is it. Then the password, let's show password. You need to copy this password, and save it. So just the way we save the username on the notepad, we're also going to save the password there. So it's going to be, I'm going to name it password, then I'll just hit Control V. Wow, so I've gotten my, let me just name this. So I'm going to name it I think shop now cPanel login details. Okay, so anytime I'm looking for it, I'm going to just open this file and boom, I'll have everything I need about that cPanel. All right, so where are we starting from? Let's see. Let's click on file manager. We've already seen how control panel is, this is the control panel. Then let's go to file manager. I'm going to right click and open it in a new tab. Wow, so you can see this is where you upload. Can you see do not upload files here? You need to go to here. Yeah, so this is where you upload your website content. Okay, this is where you upload your website content. All right, that is that on file manager. Now let's go to Subtaculous app installer. I'm going to right click and open this in a new tab. All right, so you can see that's taking us to where we're going to install WordPress on this domain. All right, so you can either do it from this angle, Subtaculous app installer, or when you go to your cPanel, dashboard, you can either click on Subtaculous app installer here, or you just from here straight up you click on Subtaculous installer. All right, so let's confirm this. If I go to Subtaculous app installer and I click on app installer, you can see it's going to take us to Subtaculous app installer. All right, so you can see there's no difference between this one and what we're seeing here. Okay, so you can either use any of them. All right, so but I think I love taking it from the cPanel dashboard. So this Subtaculous app installer, just click on it. So we're going to see how to install WordPress. Okay, so when you click on Subtaculous app installer, of course you under it you have WordPress, you have Joomla, you have Abatek cards, any of them that you want to use. So you can see we have different top scripts. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to install WordPress. So we're going to click on install. So when you click on install, now look up, when you click on install, now it's asking us to choose installation URL. It means if you have multiple domain, you can see if I click on this, choose a domain, if I click on this drop down, I'm only going to be seeing one, which is shopnow.ksong.com. that is one that we just created. That it you know, the during installation it told us that we have liberty of creating up to 3 domains, right? But then we created one. So had it been, if you have multiple domains, of course when you click on this drop down, you're going to see the list of domains. So in our own case, it's only one domain we're seeing. So we have HTTP. You can see we have HTTPS, but here, since this is a free hosting and domain, of course we'll maintain the HTTP. Okay, so now we need to, this is the WordPress dashboard. Choose the version you want to install. Okay, so we're going to leave it on default. I think it's taking the latest version. So you can see these are the previous versions of WordPress that have existed. So we'll leave it on default. I think that is the highest so far. In case you're seeing anything here, in case you're seeing anything in this directory, so please, you need to clear it up. But of course in my own case there is nothing here, so we'll leave it empty. So I think everything is set. So let's do site settings. So under site settings, you see the site name. What's the name? By default my blog comes up. So what is your site name? This is where you need to assign the name of your site. Okay, so I'm going to give it let's say shop now. I'll give it shop now. Shop now, this is the name of my site, shop now. Okay, now let's go to site description. What is the description of your site? I think from the name shop now, we are likely going to be creating an e-commerce website. Okay, so I'm going to give it the site description is going to be something like shop now. Shop now is one of the best online marketplace in the city of, let's say, Minna, Nigeria. And oh no, I will not limit it to a particular city in Nigeria. Let's give it something like this, in Nigeria. Yes, shop now is one of the best online marketplace in Nigeria. All right, so I think this is great. So let's go to the right hand side where we have admin account. So here we're going to give it admin username. Whenever you want to log into the WordPress, your WordPress dashboard, there are authentication, so you need to provide the username and password. This is that username and password. This is where you set it. Okay, so I'm going to leave it as admin. I'm going to give it admin. So you can see it has generated password for us, but then I would want to give my own password. I don't like using the generated password, so I'm going to give it something like shop at, all right, so let's give it shop at, no, let's give it shop now at 1284. All right, so you can see it has taken my email address by default. Okay, so I'm going to leave that. So this admin email is very, very important. In case you forget your login details, they will ask you to reset your password, and during password resetting you'll be required to provide the admin email address that you used during your WordPress installation. So I'm going to leave my email address here in case of that. So let's go. I think we can change this to this. Let's see, change this to HTTPS to see if it will be secured a little bit. Let's see. All right, so I think all settings are done. What we need to do is just click on install. So click on install. So you can see, oops, the connection was lost. I think my network is having issues. My network is gone. All right, so let's go back. The connection is lost. Now let's see, checking the submitted data. All right, so this is just going to count from 1 to 100, and boom, WordPress will be installed. Okay, I'm having network issues. That's why I said you need to have a very strong network connections. Let me save this. So I'll just give it login. I'll save it on the desktop and I'll click on save. Then I'll leave this. All right, I think it's trying to connect. So I'll click on install. I think my network is kind of poor. Alright, so it's just going to count from 1 to 100, like I said, and it will tell you WordPress installed successfully, as easy as that. Okay.